In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to manage NFL Sunday Ticket as a primetime channel on YouTube. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to youtube.com. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. Now click on your profile icon. Then select Purchases and Membership. On the membership section, find NFL Sunday Ticket and click the drop-down arrow next to Manage Membership. Here you can view your current payment plan, upcoming membership price, and applicable taxes. If you want to switch from a single payment to a monthly installment plan, select Renew, then choose the monthly installment payment option if it's available for your account. If you don't want your season pass to automatically renew, select Cancel before you are charged for the next season. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. If you want to change from a season pass to month-to-month cancelable subscription, you will generally need to cancel the season pass before it renews. After that, you can sign up for a month-to-month option when available. If you want to add or remove NFL RedZone, you may need to cancel your existing NFL Sunday Ticket membership and sign up again with the subscription option you want. To change your payment method before your annual renewal, select Edit next to your payment details, then click the drop-down arrow next to your current payment method. Choose another saved payment method or select Add Credit or Debit Card to enter a new card. After selecting or adding your payment method, follow the on-screen instructions and select Stop Membership if prompted to complete the process. It's also a good idea to add a backup payment method so your membership can remain active if your primary payment method does not work. Before leaving the page, review your payment plan, renewal settings, and membership details to make sure everything is set up the way you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.